Okay, number 3. With these 2 and 3, now look into disposal account. Find gain or loss on disposal. If debit more than the credit, you will have a loss. Okay? If credit more than the debit, you will get the gain. Clear for this one? So now we do the journal entry according to question they required. Follow the step in here. We put journal number 1, $sign. So this $sign basically is a debit and credit. Okay, if we want to more complete, then we put debit, credit. The first one, reverse non-current asset and provision account. So your non-current asset at cost is 21,000. So your reversal will be debit disposal and then credit feature and fitting. Furniture and fitting. Furniture and fitting. Okay. So the amount, take the everything, 21,000. Number 2, reverse the disposal account. So debit provision for depreciation of furniture and fitting. Okay, and credit disposal account. So the amount that you're going to reverse, 16,400. 16,400. Next is record the disposal value. How much the disposal value? 2,005. As I say, because they say that receive a check must be debit back. So number 3, debit bank, credit disposal, 2,005. Okay. The last, work out how much, whether it's a loss or a gain. If we look into the disposal account, this is a disposal account. Okay. These 3 are the disposal account. If we calculate, am I putting to the wrong? Okay. So take this debit minus credit. So we get positive. That means this is the debit balance. Debit balance means that your debit more than the credit. So far, okay? So in this case, we will have the debit income statement and credit disposal account. And the amount is 2100. This is actually a loss on disposal. So far, clear for the journal entry? Let's move on. Okay, the next one, they say, ask us to prepare the furniture account, provision account, and feature and fitting disposal account. Furniture and fitting account. Date. This financial year end on 31st, on 1st Jan 2014. So this is the beginning of the year. So put 2014, January 1st, balance brought down. The amount is 21,000. Okay. When we have the disposal, put 2014. When is the disposal? Disposal is, okay, the disposal date is on August 10. August 10. So here put disposal. The value, which is here, debit, disposal, credit, furniture and fitting. This credit is referred to this one for number 1. This is the number 1. Yeah, put this beside here. So this is the number 1 journal entry that we put through. So for clear? Okay. Here, subtotal. When you have the total debit credit are the same amount, don't put balance carried out. No more balance carried out for this question. So the account close. When the total debit, total credit are the same, the account consider close. Okay. The next account that we're going to do will be the provision. Provision for depreciation of furniture account. The balance brought down in the question even is 16,400. 16,400. So first of all, you must take notes that this is the asset account. Asset balance brought down always in the debit side. So provision is the opposite to the cost. So it will be in the credit side. This is a rule you must remember. Debit or credit for the balance brought down. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do will be August 10, August 10, disposal. This disposal entry is a second entry that we make into here. Here, debit, provision for depreciation, and credit disposal. This is the one that we are do the recording. 16,400. So total settle off. So no balance carried down, no balance brought down. Okay, settle this one. The last, they asked to prepare the disposal account. Here is a credit. So automatically here will become to the here become debit. So here put opposite furniture and fitting. So this entry is one set, one debit, one credit. Okay. The next one is this entry. So we put the provision for depreciation. So if in case in the exam, the wording is too long, you just write provision for depreciation. If the space for you is not enough, or what you do is you put into this, you put into 2 rows like this also can. Okay, so that at least you write the complete account. So this information is from the number 2 journal. So now the next one, the bank amount. The bank amount is for the number 3 information. So the bank amount that we receive from the account is 2005. So this 2005 debit bank, credit disposal. So the last one is we need to find the gain or losses, because just now we have calculated the journal. So take this debit minus the credit. So we get this one. This amount will transfer to the income statement. So if you want to take note, this one is a loss on disposal. So this is the balance figure to find, because it can be in here if your credit more than the debit, but this question is loss, so it's in the credit side. Okay, I think that's all for this one. So not all the things have done. The